Hello all, my name is Krish Nayak and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, this is an amazing video for all of you. In my life, I've seen so many different kind of people who have really excelled in their career, specifically with respect to IT industries, with respect to different technologies, with respect to different job profiles. And the only thing that they specifically had, the capability of learning new things. And this capability was not just developed in one day. This capability was developed through consistency. Now, consistency is the key to learn anything in life. Now, when I say consistency, what does this specifically mean? Consistency basically means that every day you need to provide some kind of efforts to learn something. I had some of my friends, they were really interested to learn some of the technologies. The first week, they spent every day around 4 to 5 hours. Then from the second week, it went down to 2 to 3 hours. Then from the third week, it went down to 1 hour. And fourth week, they closed everything, right? So this is not consistency. This consistency is decreasing exponentially. But the consistency of doing your hard work, of learning things should be in this shape that it should be keep on increasing. And if you developed that consistency, it is the only one thing. If you develop that one thing, trust me, it will be very easy for you to learn anything, for you to excel in life. I've spoken to so many different people who have recently made successful career transition towards data science from different backgrounds, right? I'm saying like backgrounds like mechanical engineering, civil engineering, non-tech background, a person from BCom honors, from BBA, they were able to clear jobs like data analyst and all. And what did they want? They really liked this technology of data science, but that is just not sufficient. So every day they were trying to put down some of the efforts of there, right? The only thing like, if you also want to start, guys, every day be consistent. At least give 1 hour for that learning purpose. Imagine the goal that you really want to achieve. And this 1 hour of the everyday practice will later increase this time because you will start developing more and more interest. This is the most important thing. And this is the most key thing to learn anything in life. And definitely you'll be successful, right? So please make sure that you follow this. It is superbly important, guys. These are from all the successes that I've seen, not only in myself, from other people around me, people who were nothing at one point of time and they're doing some amazing work right now. They're doing amazing work right now. So please make sure that keep a hobby kind of stuff with respect to consistency and make sure that you achieve your goal, work towards your goal. And I hope everybody will become successful. For some people, it may take some time. For some people, it may take more time. Or for some people, it may not even take time, right? It depends. That will be depending on person to person. So yes, this was just a small dose of motivation since I've been uploading after so many days. I'll be again coming up with some interesting stuff. Now I'm completely free from work. And yes, there are a lot of things that are going to come up to you, right? So yes, this was it from my side. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you, one all. Bye.